Packaging. It's more than just putting stuff into a pouch. It is the act of protecting things we all eat and use cleanly and safely, even elevating the value of what's inside the pouch. With this in mind, LEEPACK continues its research and development efforts for a more advanced, perfect packaging technology. For the last half-century, we at LEEPACK have worked with the philosophy that great technology and the highest quality components make unrivaled packaging system, paying meticulous attention to every detail. LEEPACK's integrated production management and quality control system are backed by years of experience and expertise. This not only ensures manufacture of products that are essential to the customer, airtight quality control at every state, but also enables seamless customer service through systematic product data management. LEEPACK's automatic packaging machines boast high efficiency, quick precision movements, and long-lasting durability. The systems are easy to use and versatile for every need, making LEEPACK stand out among its competitors. In addition, they are thoroughly hygienic and stable, so you can depend on them with confidence throughout their operation. With quality products our customers have come to expect and look for, and world-class service, LEEPACK is becoming a company that grows with our customers around the globe. We strive to fulfill the goals set forth by our enduring philosophy as a responsible company that will grow with our employees and customers worldwide. Pursuit of perfect packaging. LEEPACK.